Hey guys, Liz here. Well, today I wanted to stop in and just say thank you to each and every one of you for your sweet, sweet, heartfelt comments. Like, y'all touched my heart. Last night I was sitting in here reading the comments and I'm like, does anybody have a tissue? Because y'all touched my heart. You did. You did, very much so. And I appreciate it. So, y'all know I've got a busy week and I'm still trying to move content out in the midst of being busy, so I don't know that I'll get a chance to respond to all of you. I may go on there and answer some questions that were asked to me, but otherwise I did leave hearts letting you guys know that I did read them, and I'm personally telling you guys right now, each and every one of you, thank you. I'm giving you guys all a big hug right now. Thank you. You guys are the best. Okay, so for today's little project, we're morphing on into Christmas, shall we? This morning I woke up and I started feeling anxious about all the Christmas stuff that I've got to prepare and get ready. And I have some like awesome ideas for Christmas. So anyway, I went to Walmart and I was like going up and down the aisles today. And I'm like, I want to do a little craft project today. What could I do? What could I do? So this is what I came up with. Okay, guys? So I bought 3 picture frames, all the same. And these are 5x7s. I don't remember what I paid for them, but I have 3 of them. And you're probably going, like, what is she going to do with picture frames? So this is what I'm going to do. Check this out. So then I went into the material section. And again, with Christmas in mind, I found this. And I bought a yard of it. It was $11.91. I don't need a yard, but I bought it because I may use it for my Christmas displays. And then I bought 2 yards of this material. And that was $12.88. Sorry. Love this. Guess what I'm doing with this? And I know I'm going to have people saying, well, why didn't you just get craft paper or something? I went over to the craft section. I was looking for some Christmas like craft paper. They did not have any that I liked that I wanted to use for this. So I am going to be placing material, and I'm not sure. I think I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to cut a little piece out to go here, and then check this out. I got these little letters. Well, this one came off, but it's J-O-Y. And I am going to, like I said, cut the material out, put it inside here. I'll probably leave the matting. And then I'm going to hot glue, this to the glass. And then I got this ribbon. I'm going to do some sort of a bow. And I'm going to do some sort of a bow right here. So let me show you. Got the picture frame, the letters, this, and the material. You see where I'm going with this? I think it's going to be cute. So stay tuned. So the only other supplies you'll really need is a little glue gun, some glue sticks, and a pair of scissors. And that should suffice. So onward. So on the inside of the picture frame is this little cutout, and this is the size picture you can put in here inside the matting. So I did that, and then I took my little scissors and my material right here, and I cut out this size, and then hot glued, just ran a couple little beads, and so it's stuck perfectly good on here, and that's what I've got. So easy. Now I'm putting the back on. We're almost done with this part. Is this gonna go in here or what? My goodness. I cleaned my glass with my favorite glass cleaner, guys. Spray away with, leaves it streak free. Trust me, it's an awesome product. Walmart. Now all I have to do is hot glue this letter on. And we're done. I didn't have an extension cord, guys. I ran out, so my hot glue gun is over there. So, you know, all I'm going to do is run a little bead here and up and done. Just ran a bead of glue on there. And now I'm just going to put it right in the middle here. So easy. And isn't that cute? So cute. Love, love, love. Check it out. Is that not festive for Christmas? Wait till I add the bows. Wait for it. Just wait for it. It's going to be cute. Okay, so I've just gathered my ribbon. And this is all I'm doing. I hope you guys can see my vision. But I'm gathering it here in the middle. How am I going to show you guys this? Just gathering it in the middle. I'm probably going to cut these shorter. Anyway, I'm going to cut these shorter, but I can't show you. I'll just have to do it and then I'll show you. Okay, guys, so I've got my 3 ribbon cut here. Guys, I'm no Arlene. Let's just say I am ribbon challenged and bow challenged. I've tried, God knows I've tried, but I am not talented in the bow making process. Arlene, help me. All right, this is not working for me. I think what I'm going to do is pinch the material right here, like this. Whoops, let me see if I can show you. Pinch it like that, and I'm just going to go hot glue it. That's what I'm going to do. That's what you do when you're challenged in this department. You go to your glue gun. Okay, this is how I'm going to roll with this project. Since I cannot do a bow good, I glued it in the middle and just pinched it, and now I've sort of dovetailed these ends, and I'm going to fan them and hot glue each ribbon to each other, but fanning it out. So it looks like that, because I want you to see the different ribbon, right? See right here, you can't really tell. So I want to fan it and hot glue, like put a dab of glue here and a dab of glue there. So it's like that when I put it on the picture. Stay tuned. So that works. Yay! We have a little bit of progress here, ladies. For those of us that are bow challenged. But hello, how cute. Feel like I'm back in the olden days. You know, I'm old school, so I could roll this way, you know. Feel like I'm back in grade school. All right, let's get this hot glued to this. I just want it looking simple, so nothing crazy, nothing out there, but it's going to be cute when I get them all done. I just hot glued a little green piece right here. But let's glue this puppy up. I've got one done, and I just need to do 2 more, and then I'll put them all together. And I've got a cute display for any table. Always, always clean your glass. So important, because you don't want your glass looking smeared or have fingerprints on it, right? So always, always clean it. Got the matting, so I'm going to put that back in, and see, where did I put my material? Where did it go? It's hiding. Here it is. I'm going to go hit that with the hot glue gun. I'll be right back. So I just ran a bead of glue around this, set my material in there, and now I just have to put this backing back on. There we go. And we are ready to roll. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, now I'm ready for ribbon. Got my ribbon already cut. Do this one, let's see. This one on, got the stripe on the back, then the polka dot, then the green. taking this, pinching it, then I'll go hot glue it. So that's what I have going on right now. Just hot glued it, pinched it, and now I'm just going to take my material, fold it, and then cut up. And then it's all dovetailed. And then I'm going to fan it on both sides. So while I'm letting my little bow cool down, I'm going to go hot glue this onto the front. Yeah, I'm just taking a little snip of this to loop over this. Let's see. Aren't I sneaky? That's how Liz makes a bow. Yep, actually I decided to do the red and white ribbon, and then I'm going to fan these out and hot glue them. Like so. That's how that one turned out. And so this middle one will be different, and then I'll probably do green on the other one. Cute. So now that I have my little ribbon done, I can hot glue it to this. Now, for all you ladies out there that know how to do big, beautiful, bodacious bows, this may be a project for you. So there you have it. A simple, easy, quick craft project for Christmas. And I hope you guys like it, and maybe you guys can do something. You can pick a different frame, something that goes with your decor, and you know, do whatever bow you think will look great on here. But I thought this was simple and cute and dainty looking, perfect for any table. So thanks for stopping by, guys. So that will do it for today. Thank you guys so much again for your sweet comments this week. Y'all are thebomb.com, and I will see you. I don't know when I'll see you next. I don't know. I do have a little haul for you. I copied Arlen and Kim. Oh, yes, I did. I bought that red lantern. So anyway, stay tuned.